All right, the next, the communication tools in Second Life. There are messaging tools, the verb in the form of verbally text and voice chat. We can send text to others as the what is it the way of communicating in Second Life. Also voice chat, so we turn on our speaker and our microphone to chat with others through voice chat. And non-verbally, it's in the form of visual appearance, gestures, and animation. So there will be given some kind of what is it? Emoji that emoji. You have certain facial expression or gestures in your game, saying if you are having fun, whether you are sad, whether you are happy. So you can show, you can express to your friends. Okay, so for the publishing book, so it's in a form of note. You can share note to your friends, and you can ask for notes from your friends to you as well. Okay, communications in Second Life is always real time and synchronized, meaning that when you want to communicate with others, you should be there online and synchronized in real time. So uh, it cannot be done when you are having different time with your friends. So if now you want to communicate with your friends in Second Life, of course you have to go online now, right now, not tomorrow, not yesterday. Okay, all right. In Second Life, if you want to go some places, you have the tools for travel. For example, you can walk, okay, from your home to your school in Second Life. You can walk, or you can fly, or you can teleport. So that is the tools for travel. Okay, this is the picture showing messaging in Second Life, the example of sending message. So there you can see the names of the people, or you can see in the picture, in the box there are names, and then in the picture you see many people's avatar. So you can click the avatar and you have certain options. uh, in there you have what is it, in a column, nearby chat. So you can chat to the people nearby your avatar. You can communicate to them directly. Okay, user generated teaching as learning content. Second Life consists of completely user generated 3D content that comes with easy to learn tool that anyone can use, meaning it's user friendly. To put it in easy way, it is user friendly and everyone can actually access it easily, even if you don't know how to utilize it at first. By looking at it for a bit and learn it a bit, you can understand it fully, and you can utilize it as if you are using your Facebook account or any other social media account that you made. Okay, so it is easy. Sorry. Okay, tools for creating and shaping the world, including 3D primary building, Linden scripting language, and texture, sound, animation, import. So this is in a technical point of view. If you want to utilize more for the Second Life features, such as you want to build something, you can use the feature of 3D prim building. And you want to add some script, you can use, or you can learn first how to use the Linden scripting language. And if you want to make certain texture, certain sounds, or you want to import some animation, you can also you can also insert it in the Second Life. Okay, the Second Life allows inhabitants to collaborate to create content. This is very clear. So for example, you want to create a content in the YouTube. Of course you have to record the video and then you upload it. So this is the same procedure. You have the tools, the features to create content in Second Life, as if as same as other social media accounts that you have. Okay, this collaborative creation makes it possible to create complex and large things such as buildings, classrooms, and parks. So there are many shapes that you can make. So, for instance, in buildings, in this example, in Second Life, build a school or a classroom to make, what is it, the e-learning process, to make it, what is it, a bit fun. All the educational theories such as behaviorism, cognitive approach, uh, and etc. It can be applied in this second life, of course, because for example, you are given emoji that you can express. So by then you can learn the behavior of other people. For example, they are when they are having fun, they will show the emoji of they are being happy. So it is easier for us to learn here. Okay, teaching and learning content in second life. Okay, in here we have the example of roleplay, web quests, lectures, tours, discussions, excursions, even. So, because it's in a form of world, the virtual world, it is different than real world, but we can make it the same. So, for example, your friend design the city of Paris, and you want to visit city of Paris that your friends created. Of course, you will have this kind of excursion going to the Paris in Second Life. Okay, features in Second Life. The first is permissions. Permissions in Second Life are related to object creation, move, copy, and edit. So this is more technical. So if you build a Second Life account and you have further instruction in making something, in building something, you can utilize the permissions having the to move or to copy or to edit. So this is the features. And then the other features is add friends. So there, if you want to communicate with your friends and you want to communicate again later or tomorrow or next 2 days, next week, if you want to remember the name, of course you have to add them as your friends. It's almost the same like you are using your Facebook account, your social media account. Okay, and then give item. So this is more of trading in games. So if you want to give item virtually, you can use this kind of feature. For example, you want to share your love by giving flowers to your friend's avatar. Of course, you should click the give item button, and then you choose the flowers, and then you give it to your friend, so you can share things virtually with your friends. Instant messaging and chatting. In Second Life, group instant messaging, or IM, allows players to send message to all members belonging in the group. So it's more like when you are having a WhatsApp messenger and you create a group. It is the same in Second Life. When you build a group in Second Life for chat, and then you can chat with your group when they are joining your group, of course. So it is the same. Give item for praise. Players can give and take a praise item when they are in interactions. So while you are having a conversation with your friends, maybe when you are feeling happy, there will be a praise item options that you can choose, and then you want to say that you like having conversation with that friend, so you give the praise item, for example, a candy, and then your friend will receive that candy as the praise item. Pollster is kind of audience feedback tool. A pollster, it means you want to make a poll, so it's more to what is it, a form of voting. So if you want to make a poll to have feedback from others, you can build a poll. For example, what is it? Is it fun to have discussion this way? And then you make the poll with the answer yes, no, or it's so. So then they have to give the feedback. They have to choose. Okay, that's the pollster. Okay, so when having this, what is it? The Second Life presentation, the keywords given in the first slide. This is the Second Life, of course. Web 2.0, the collective intelligence, user generated content. It is clear here, the explanation. And then the next is e-learning 2.0. The meaning is that 3D virtual classroom. I already mentioned the example. Also the next generation. Next generation is students who were born in 1980s and later. They have grown with computer and the internet and been digitally iterated. So, okay, so for the conclusion,